Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Range Rover. The 2026 Range Rover is here, raising the bar for luxury SUVs. It combines advanced technology, a classic yet modern design, and top-tier off-road capabilities, making it perfect for traveling in style. Exterior, classic and modern. Sleek look. A new grille and slim LED headlights give it a bold, stylish appearance. Floating roof. Its iconic roof design and smooth lines make it look elegant. Better aerodynamics. Improved airflow boosts efficiency. Unique colors. New shades like borealis green and satin silver make it stand out. Performance. Powerful and efficient. The Range Rover offers options for different driving needs. Mild hybrid. A 3.0L engine with hybrid tech for smooth, efficient power. Plug-in hybrid combines gas and electric power with 50 miles of electric-only driving. V8 engine. A 4.4L twin-turbo V8 delivers 530 horsepower for thrilling drives. All-electric. A fully electric model with 300-plus miles of range and no emissions. Interior. Luxurious and comfortable. High-quality materials, leather, sustainable wood, and mood lighting create a premium feel. Smart tech, touchscreen, a 15-inch display with smart features for easy control. Digital display, a 12.3-inch screen for clear driving information. Comfortable seating, heated, ventilated, and massaging seats for all. The rear seats recline and include a work table. Innovative features, all-wheel steering. Improves turning in tight spaces and stability at high speeds. Air suspension. Adjusts automatically for a smooth ride on all terrains. Driver assistance. Features like adaptive cruise control and hands-free driving. Off-road capability. Terrain response. Automatically adapts to mud, snow, sand, or rocks. Water handling. Can drive through water up to 35 inches deep. All-terrain control. Keeps a steady speed on rough surfaces. Eco-friendly design. Sustainable materials. More recyclable materials are used inside. Efficient engines. Lower emissions without losing power. Pricing and release. Cost. Starts at $105,000, with top trims over $200,000. Availability. Arrives in early 2026. Conclusion. The 2026 Range Rover combines luxury, innovation, and off-road strength. Whether driving in the city or exploring the wilderness, it makes every trip comfortable and memorable. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.